You POTA hunters, boy, I have something exciting for y'all to play with. Stick around. Hey, everybody, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Helps the channel certainly grow. Today's video is brought to you by Gigaparts. Gigaparts has the ultimate destination for ham radio equipment, computer supplies, computer parts, computers yourselves, maker supplies, 3D printing, all that good stuff. Go check out my friends at Gigaparts. 2163, I hope I'm getting that right, 2163 University Drive in Huntsville, Alabama. Or you can shop in your socks at gigaparts.com. And if you use my coupon code HamShackTV, get it double rewards points. We appreciate Gigaparts for sponsoring today's episode. And part of the reason that they're sponsoring today's episode is because we are using the Icom IC-7300 Mk2. This is on loan to me from Gigaparts. What you're seeing on your screen to this side, if I can point right, to this side of me, this is an application called SDR Control. And folks, I love this software. I absolutely love this software. Down below me here, you see the screen output from the Icom IC-7300 Mk2. What we're going to talk about today is this software has a application built in specifically for POTA. So you POTA hunters, this is going to make your life a lot easier. So once you get logged in to your application here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to modes, tools, and then POTA. And when you go into POTA, here comes this POTA spot. So no more going to POTA.app. It's already all there. And it is just absolutely phenomenal. And you can click on any of these and you can see the radio changes frequencies on its own. Isn't that cool? Isn't that phenomenal? We'll see if we can make a contact here. Give me just a moment here to pull in the audio from the radio. 1 second to change it over. There we go. You should be hearing it now. Nope, you're not. But you're about to. There you go. Now you're here. All right. So let's go back to pull the radio down just a little bit. Let's go back to the POTA log here. And let's just find something clear here we can work with. So yeah, there we go. We got a New York station, Kilo 2 Papa Tango Charlie.
Roger. Down here in North Carolina today, got you.
So there he is. Let's see if we can get him. Alpha 4 Whiskey X-ray. Alpha 4 Whiskey X-ray. Didn't get him there. A little noisy today, folks, so just bear with it a little bit. We'll pull in my log as well. Alpha 4 Whiskey X-ray. Roger. I got you 5-7 here in Tennessee. 5-7 Tango November. Seven 3. There you go, guys. It's as simple as that. Really easy. So you're going to go into your SDR control, go to the POTA log, and just click on whatever you want. You can filter by mode and by band if you want. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. That was KD5 PCK. Let me go ahead and set him up in my logbook here. And the good thing is I still have this forwarded to World Radio League. So all I'm going to do is do an add entry. I'm going to double click on him, and you can see it already inquires all this in there. He gave me a 5.7. I'm going to give him a 5.7 as well. You can see QRZ already integrates. You can see all his information. We'll hit save. Boom, he's in the log. That's it, guys. It's as simple as that. It's as absolutely as simple as that. Guys, I can't thank y'all enough for watching him and tuning in here. We are really excited about some of the things that are coming into the shack, things that we're playing with. We're making our shack better into this channel. I can't wait to share more with you. Again, go check out Gigaparts, gigaparts.com, and use coupon code MShackTV. You'll get double rewards points, quadruple rewards points on Icom and Ace. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next 73. Or double check.